Hello, everybody. I'm Harry the Bunny. Far away and close to me. And far away and close to me. Playing with my toy car. Daddy bought me a new toy car. I can make it go far and close with this. Want to see? Let's send the car far away to the flowers. Far, far away. Yes. Oops, oops, oops. Sorry, Ball. Now, let's bring the car back. Back to me, back to me, back to me, back to me. Oh, great. Now, let's send you off again. Far away. Whoa, watch out, car. The car is so far I can't even see it. Let's bring it back. Come closer, car. Just a little closer. Oh, you're close to me again. Say bye-bye, Harry the Bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.